How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Now, the first thing you want to do is update Facebook app to the latest version. For that, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store and then search for Facebook. Here, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After Facebook has been updated, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you meet the eligibility for Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is only available in certain regions and country. So if you are in a country where Facebook Marketplace isn't available, you simply have to wait until it is made available. Next thing is age restriction. You have to be at least of 18 years old in order to be able to get Facebook Marketplace. So you want to tap on this profile icon, then tap on settings, then tap on the account center option. Here you want to tap on personal details. Then you want to tap on date of birth and see if you are eligible or not. If you find that your date of birth is under 18, then you want to tap on the edit button and rectify your age. Now, the next thing you want to do is clear the Facebook cache. For that, tap on the profile icon, then tap on the setting icon. Now, you want to scroll down. Under preferences, you will have the browser option. Tap on that. Here, you have the option of cookies and cache. Tap on the clear option, then tap on clear over here again. Once that is done, you want to check if Facebook Marketplace is available or not. If it is still not available, then you want to contact Facebook customer support. For that, you want to tap on the profile icon, scroll down and tap on help and support, then tap on report a problem. Now tap on continue to report a problem. Now you want to scroll down and find the marketplace option over here. Here you want to describe that marketplace isn't available to you even after meeting all of the eligibility. Then you want to submit this report. After that, the Facebook customer support is going to get in contact with you and help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.